Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Rehman. Welcome to my course, Building Reliable Flask Applications. I'm a Python developer and the founder of Pythonist. Flask is a lightweight Python framework for web development that is designed to make getting started quick and easy, with the ability to scale up to complex applications. In this course, we are going to learn testing, logging, and debugging in Flask application. We will utilize Bookly, a books library application, as a simple project. Some of the major topics that we will cover include debugging Flask applications along with the custom error pages, unit testing using the test fixtures, configuring custom error handlers, and implementing logging with the custom log handler. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to make your Flask applications much more reliable and make the process of maintenance easier. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn Flask with the Building Reliable Flask Applications course at Pluralsight.